Dr. Zeba Wunderlich is our award winner for 2020. She's been an outstanding and passionate teacher in the classroom and in the laboratory at both the undergraduate and graduate levels. Dr. Wunderlich embraces active learning methods in all of her courses and uses evidence-based practices to encourage student engagement and participation in the classroom. She has developed problem-based learning modules in her lectures and discussion sections to emphasize numerical underpinnings of genetics and to enhance students' numerical literacy. Her novel approaches have resulted in high student satisfaction levels and extremely high evaluations by both students and faculty members. In her own lab, Dr. Wunderlich supervises 4 PhD students and 3 undergraduates. Students from her lab have received several research grants and fellowships. She is actively engaged in outreach to diverse student populations and minority groups underrepresented in the sciences. Dr. Wunderlich's noteworthy work aligns perfectly with the teaching mission of the school. We are proud to have nominated her and to celebrate the presentation of her highly deserved 2020 Dean's Award for Celebration of Teaching.
Hi, my name is Zeba Wunderlich, and I'm a professor in developmental and cell biology. One of my favorite moments of teaching is in a lecture in my genetics class where I talk about DNA replication, so the process by which our DNA is copied during cell division. And I wanted to make a point about how accurate the enzyme that copies DNA is. And so to illustrate this, I had students estimate if they had to copy their textbooks, how many typos they would make, and then we figured out how many textbooks worth of DNA we have, and it comes out to a big number of mistakes. And then I compared that to the number of mistakes that our body actually makes when it's using this enzyme called DNA polymerase, which is incredibly accurate and makes many fewer mistakes than we would if we were typing out our DNA sequences. So we got to the end of this exercise and the students were sharing their ideas of how many typos. And at the end, when we made that comparison, a student in the back just went, wow. And that was a really fun moment in that class.